Let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, now let's add our sweetened condensed milk into our mixer, just like this. Just like this. And then let's add our egg yolks, our salt, and our lemon juice. Just like that. And now let's whip this on medium for 45 minutes.
Waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fun land. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Pour our mixture into our pie crusts.
Just like this.
And now let's move on to our next step. Okay. Now let's put our pie into our oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Now let's move on to our next step. Okay, now let's refrigerate our pies for 1 hour. Just like this. Let's move on to our next step. Okay, now let's add our powdered sugar and our heavy whipping cream. And then let's add our vanilla. And then let's mix this. Now let's take our whipping cream and put it on top of our pie.
And that's more.
And do this to both of them, and I'll show you the finished product. This is our finished product.